Alright, here we go. Got the door skin on. Temporarily put the fender back on. This one didn't go on too bad. The only thing, I mean, the gap doesn't look too bad. The only thing that ticks me off is it's straight down here, but it's a little ridgy on the bottom, and I don't know why that happened, because I even looked on that door to see whether or not it was kind of ridgy, and it's not. Whoop. I don't know whether or not you can see it. Get something behind it. See how it's a little ridgy? If you can see it. It's got like highs and low spots on the seam. You know, a little bit like that. See how it doesn't really kind of go into a curve, but it's got a little bump there. Doesn't go on too bad. Alright, door number 2 done. Now I got to do the body work. Get the body work done. I'll get this all welded on there. And we'll see what we got. We'll get this thing all prepped and ready for first primer. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.